Hi everyone, it's Ryan from SILS here. SILS is an organization funded by the Ministry of Advanced Education in British Columbia, and we provide perceptually disabled college students with the learning materials they need to succeed at their coursework. Some of the materials that SILS provides to students include word processor files, ebook files, PDFs, and increasingly students that I work with want to use these files on their iOS devices, such as their iPhone or their iPad. The problem is it's not always clear how to get this sort of material onto your device, so today I'm going to show you one way to get a PDF onto your iPad. So the first thing you're going to need is the file you want to add to your iPad. When SILS sends you a file, typically we'll send it as an email attachment or perhaps on a CD or a DVD. But the file I've selected here today is a chapter from a clinical nursing textbook, and we're going to sync that. So first you need to get the file onto your computer, and you need to note the location where you've saved that file. So here's the location where I've saved that file. I'm just going to make sure I know what that is, and then I'm going to open up iTunes here. So in iTunes, under my iTunes library, I've selected books, and I can see that there's nothing there because I have no books added to my iTunes library right now. So to add the book that I just showed you, I'm going to go up here on the top left-hand drop-down menu and select File, and then select Add File to Library. So I select that, and it's going to bring up this dialog box that will allow you to browse through to the location where you saved your file. And once you've found that file, here's my file, I'm going to click Open and select the file, click Open, there we go, and then that's going to import that file into iTunes. So here we see now under Books in my iTunes library, it's added this file. So we're halfway done. Now if we go down to my iPad under the devices list and we look at books, it's not there yet. That's because we have to do one more step, which is tell iTunes to add that file to your device, in this case the iPad. So under the devices list here on the left, I'm just going to click the main iPad icon, and that will bring up the main information screen for my iPad. On this screen at the top, this top menu, I'm going to select Books. And now you can tell it to sync books by clicking Sync Books up here. You can tell it to sync a selected book or all books. If you click Selected, make sure you sync the one you want to add or the ones you want to add. And then down here at the bottom right, we click Apply, which is going to apply that change to the iPad. Now, after that is finished, once we go to Books, right here, we will see that is added in our book. So now if I disconnect the iPad here, we can see the iBooks icon, which is now installed by default on your iPad. Click that iBooks icon. It's going to bring up our bookshelf. Sometimes it's not going to be there, as has just happened, which means I need to change a setting here. So I'm going to click Collections at the top. I'm going to tell it to select PDFs because it's a PDF I had sync, and we can see that icon now. That's the book. So double tap that, and it's going to open the book for us. There we go. You can scroll through, use that however you want. Perhaps enlarge it to read the fine print. There we go. So if you have any questions about this, feel free to get in touch with us, or to learn more about SILS, you can contact us on our website, which is www.langara.bc.ca/SILS. That's CILS. You can also find us by using Google at CILS. We're on Facebook and Twitter as well. So thanks for watching.